Hi everyone. Okay, this is the journal that I was intending to finish for the end of 2025, specifically because I had two of these Dilutions journals going at the exact same time. Hang on. Here is the second one. This one I did a flip through on my YouTube channel. I did a speed flip through, and then if you want a more detailed walk through, sometimes I talk a lot, sometimes my pages are personal, sometimes I don't even remember what I was doing or how I did it. Welcome to old age. Anyway, and modern society, right? But anyway, I digress. So I got this one done, and I was like, okay, I really want to get this one done too. That way, at least they kind of pretty much complement crossover, So like you would take both of these and say that this is largely 2023, beginning of 2023 to end of 2025. I did get sick and ended up not being able to finish it, so I ended up having to finish it. So this one is February 23rd or 23 to January of 26, but at least I got it done right away. So now these are both done. I'm so happy, and I'm going to be doing committed to three different types of art journals. One of those types, I'm going to do two different sizes. That's all starting in January this month. I'm doing it because that was the whole point also of getting these done. So I'm going to just do a flip just with music, so you can see all the pages that are in here. And like I said, for my members, the people who are my patrons, people who support me and make it so that I can keep doing all this stuff and sharing it with everyone, will get a real kind of page review breakdown, but again, not every page. And a lot of it is on video, journal alongs and things like that for my patrons, so they've seen a great deal of it as it came together. Anyway, I will say these two cover images on both of these are actually a digital download, and I'm pretty sure they're free as well on my Patreon. So both of these little faces here, and you can really change them up and paint them any way you want. But yeah, I think those are free over there. Okay, that's it. I'm going to play some music. I hope everything is doing okay with you. I stay grounded, and much love and support. And I'll see you in the next video.
We can go to a place where even our imperfections can rest safe. I thought we were on our way, but we're so quick to get lost these days. So we move on like waves of prairie grass. No use blaming the summer wind for rushing past. In the moments when I held my ground and stayed, I was only standing in the way. There is a point on the map when it's late. use blaming the summer wind for rushing past in the moments when I held my ground and stayed. I was only standing in your way. I was only